There we are, tide's coming in. Lovely job. Here we have what used to be an amazing Victorian pier. It's now just reduced to an absolute shambolic wreck. Such a shame. Birnbeck Pier at Weston Super Mare. Better known as the Old Pier. It was once a magnificent piece of Victorian engineering. It's been neglected for years. Just at that spot there used to be pleasure boats used to go off the end of there. I think it was Waverley was one of them. Used to take tourists. Zoom into there, that's the old lifeboat house. Zoom into there, there's the old lifeboat house. Maroons used to go off. It used to be quite exciting watching the lifeboat go into the sea. The lifeboats, obviously not now, but there was a time when a lifeboat used to be able to go in there 24 hours a day because there was always sufficient water in there to launch it. Used to come down here as a teenager in the evening, back in the days where there was punk rock and all the rest of it. We used to go up the end there and they used to have bands. I was probably only about 14 at the time. It was a bit easier to get booze then. Poor old piece of Victorian engineering, look at the state of it. Successive owners have done absolutely nothing with it. If memory serves me rightly, it's the only pier in the country that ends up on an island. What we got here? Oop. Okay. Yeah. Birnbeck Regeneration Trust charity set up. The current owners, I think, are an investment company and they bought it. And there's all kinds of stupid plans to put a nightclub on the end or a casino or hotel or whatever. It was all pie in the sky. And now the council's trying to do a compulsory purchase order to buy the pier for £1. And rightly so. Oh, there's the entrance. Be able to go all the way out to the end. So a lot of people used to be able to fish off of there as well. Don't think anyone's going to be doing any fishing anytime soon. Such a shame. Just outside a little pavilion, used to be a little shop in there and a cafe. What a beautiful evening. There's Breen down there on the end of Weston. That's Wales. You can't always see Wales, we've got good visibility. That giant hump there, steep holm. And then we move around to the pier. What an absolutely fantastic piece of Victorian engineering. Just going to waste. Like I said earlier, the council, they've got a compulsory purchase order going on. They're trying to buy it for £1. That may or may not materialise, and it'll take them 18 months. By then I don't even know how much will be left. Pier view, welcome. Welcome to the view of the pier. Poor thing. You poor old rusted hulk. I'm actually amazed that it's still here and it hasn't fallen down. It's withstood hurricanes, all manner of storms, neglect. Such a shame. Well, I hope one day somebody can get what's left of this and actually restore it and bring it back so everybody can enjoy. So it's a fabulous, fabulous piece of Victorian engineering. I bet the people who manufactured this was really proud of what they did. Didn't have tons of machinery. It's awesome.